V-shaped smoothing with pumping. Place your hands flat on the solar plexus. Slide your hands along the ribs until they meet in the back. Then form a V towards the bladder and perform a pumping motion at the iliac crest. Circular smoothing of the stomach. With hands flat on top of each other, make small circles all around the stomach in a clockwise direction. Wave in the direction of transit. Apply pressure with palms and fingers to work on the ascending, transverse, and then descending colon. Kneading of the stomach. Place your hands flat and use your thumbs and fingers to grasp the stomach. Perform a deep kneading motion, alternating between grasping, lifting, and releasing the tissue. Perform the V-shaped smoothing with pumping once again. Deep effleurage of the leg. Perform a deep effleurage, moving up from the ankles to the top of the thigh. Move back down, encompassing the back of the leg and the foot with lighter pressure. Deep kneading of the thigh. Place your hands flat and use your thumbs and fingers to grasp the thigh. Perform a deep kneading motion, alternating between grasping, lifting, and releasing the tissues. Deep kneading of the thigh. By closing your fingers, use your knuckles to perform a deep circular kneading motion all around the thigh. Perform this sequence of maneuvers on the second leg, then finish with a deep effleurage of both legs at the same time. Perform a deep effleurage, moving up from the ankles toward the top of the buttocks. Move back down, encompassing the front of the leg and the foot with lighter pressure. Kneading of the calf. Place your hands flat and use your fingers and thumbs to grasp the calf. Perform a deep kneading motion, alternating between grasping, lifting, and releasing the tissue. Kneading of the calf. By closing your fingers, use your knuckles. Perform a deep circular kneading motion along the calf. Deep kneading of the thigh. Place your hands flat, using your thumbs and fingers to grasp the thigh. Perform a deep kneading motion, alternating between grasping, lifting, and releasing the tissue. Kneading of the thigh. By closing your fingers, use your knuckles and perform a deep circular kneading motion along the thigh. Finish with a deep smoothing of the buttock using the palms. Slide your hands alternately along the gluteal muscle. Perform this sequence of maneuvers on the second leg, then finish with a deep effleurage of both legs at the same time. Deep smoothing of the back. With both hands, perform a smoothing of the spine from the sacrum up to the trapezius, well encompassing the neck, then move back down to the sacrum. Infinity smoothing on the sacrum. With both hands, perform a deep circular smoothing around the sacrum and hips in an infinity shape. Kneading of the love handles. Place your hands flat and use your thumbs and fingers to grasp the waist. Perform a deep kneading motion, alternating between grasping, lifting, and releasing the tissue. Finish with a deep smoothing of the back. Using both hands, smooth along the spine up to the neck, encompass the trapezius, and go back down to the sacrum.